Where to find the best sites. Food and health benefits. Hello. The best internet resources about how to harvest wheatgrass that keeps growing. These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to harvest wheatgrass that keeps growing is www.organicconsumers.org. See the page titled Homegrown Grains, the Key to Food Security, How to Grow. Here's the link. You can also try wheatgrass.com, especially the page How to Grow Wheatgrass, Wheatgrass Whole Foods Grass. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.grownorthwest.com. The web page How to Grow Wheatgrass, Grow Northwest. Here's the link.